Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to automatically sync your Google Keep notes to Notion. No manual copying, no messy exporting. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a setup that keeps your ideas and notes up to date between Google Keep and Notion, all hands-free. If you've ever wished your quick notes, reminders, or lists from Google Keep could be seamlessly organized into Notion, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. To start, open up your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is where all those helpful browser extensions live. In the search bar at the top, type in Notes to Notion. All one word. The spelling matters here, so double check as you type. Once the results come up, look for the extension named Notes to Notion. This is the magic tool that'll link your Google Keep to your Notion workspace. Next, click on Add to Chrome. A small window might pop up asking you to confirm the installation. Just click Add Extension. This step is a bit like giving your browser new superpowers. In a few seconds, you should see the Notes to Notion icon appear to the right of your address bar. If you don't see it, don't worry. Refreshing the page or restarting Chrome usually does the trick. When you click this icon for the first time, you'll be prompted to sign up and log in. Just follow the instructions. Enter your email, create a password, and verify your account. If you already have an account, you can log right in. This login step is essential. It connects Notes to Notion to your unique workspace and keeps everything secure. Take your time here. It's the digital handshake between you and the extension. Once logged in, the next crucial step is authorization. You'll have to grant permission for Notes to Notion to access your Google Keep and Notion accounts. This might sound a little technical, but it's basically just agreeing to let the extension do its job. Look for an Authorize button and click it. Some browser alerts or pop-up windows might appear, so make sure to allow access when prompted. These authorizations make sure your notes can jump from one app to another behind the scenes, safely and privately. When authorization is complete, Notes to Notion will automatically add a special template to your Notion workspace. This template is set up to receive and organize notes from Google Keep. Think of it like laying out the landing pad for all your incoming notes. If you're inside Notion, you'll see a new page or database appear. This is where your synced notes will go. You don't need to create anything manually. Notes to Notion does it all for you. Now, you need to enable Google Keep syncing within the Notes to Notion app. Head to the app and navigate to the Apps section. There, find Google Keeps and toggle it on or press Enable. This step is easy to overlook, but it's the key that powers the automatic syncing. Imagine you're flipping a switch that starts the real-time flow of info from Google Keep into Notion. Once everything is enabled, that's it. You're done. From now on, whenever you add or edit notes in Google Keep, they'll be synced right into your Notion template without any extra effort. You can jot down ideas on your phone, and they'll pop up in your Notion dashboard on your computer. It's great for students, busy professionals, or really anyone who wants to keep their thoughts organized across apps. So that's the full setup, from installing Notes to Notion to enabling Google Keep integration. If any part of this process feels confusing, remember that a little patience goes a long way, and sometimes refreshing your browser or retrying a step can fix minor hiccups. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need troubleshooting tips, and make sure to subscribe for more practical productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your effortlessly synced notes.